Hello, today I'm unboxing my new postage label printer. This is to replace my current Dymo 4XL, which is a 6x4 label printer used for postage for things like eBay, Amazon, etc. The reason I've bought this one is the Dymo is a bit hit and miss. I've used it for about 3 years. It has a habit of eating labels, sometimes not printing, so I had a bit of a look round and I wanted a similar machine, and this is what I came across. So, on with the unboxing. You get some sample labels in 2 different formats. I'll be using the wide 4-inch format because that's the same as what my Dymo uses. The main difference between this and the Dymo is that the Dymo prints them out on 4x6 preset labels. This one is just a continuous roll and the machine cuts the label to size. So in theory you can actually make a long banner if you wanted, for example, or lots of little labels, or 4x10s or 4x4s and so forth, but basically whatever you wish, whereas the Dymo was fixed at 4x6. So we have instructions there. Power lead, USB lead, and the actual printer itself. First impressions, it's a lot more solid than the 4XL. You've got the power supply built in, whereas on the Dymo it's a power brick. Host USB, Ethernet, and I'm assuming that's an external USB so you can plug in and print direct from a USB memory stick or card. On the front, power, page feed, cut, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and obviously for setting up for WPS. I'll be using this on the network via Ethernet so that anything on my home network can see it, whether it be Wi-Fi or otherwise. The Dymo currently is just a USB host, so you have to have your host computer on, and if you want to print it from anywhere else then obviously you need that computer on. They're definitely a lot better made than the Dymo. As this is a thermal printer, you never need to buy any cartridges or anything for it. It will just go forever. I've had my Dymo 4XL, which is a thermal printer, for about 3 years. It's printed thousands of labels. Never had to replace anything on it other than the actual labels themselves. Let's get the sample roll. The sticky labels that never want to come off for me. There we go. And you got the slots in like so. It just feeds through like that, ready to go. On the front, power button, page feed, cut, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and WPS to initially set it up on a Wi-Fi network if you're going that way. So this is my existing printer, which is Dymo 4XL 4x6 printer. As you can see, the labels have stickers on them. This is what we're replacing. Here's the brother. As you can see, it's quite a fair bit larger. That's a side-by-side comparison of the two. So what I shall do now is I will disconnect the Dymo. As you can see, the Dymo is a USB host and an external power brick only. So we'll install the software. As you can see, there's a fair few parts that the software is installing. So here's a quick test print. As you see, it cuts the paper, and there we are, the shipping label. Much quicker than the Dymo, and a lot quieter, to be honest, as well. So there we go. I hope you found this review helpful. If you're looking for a postage label machine, I'd definitely recommend this, and I'll post an update in a few months' time as to how I'm finding it compared to the Dymo.